Since last summer, I've had the incredible opportunity of teaching a law school trademark class. Over the years, I've taught many law students who have been interns and law clerks and mentees of mine, and I have taught many attorneys working for me or in video courses and webinars and other forums. But this has been my first opportunity as an adjunct professor teaching a classroom full of students about trademarks. It's been an incredible opportunity, and I hope that the students have learned as much as I have, because I've learned a lot, not just about teaching and about trademarks, but I have learned a lot about myself as well. This opportunity has been at Howard University in Washington, D.C., just across the river, and I have been teaching their trademark clinic course. The clinic actually works with real clients, helping them to go through the trademark application and registration process. It's a natural extension of what I do in private practice, and the students, it's a wonderful opportunity because they get to learn actual mechanics of working on trademark matters for real clients. And not only do they learn about trademark law and trademark procedures, but they learn about working with clients and communications and responsibilities and deadlines and all of those kind of things that are necessary for the real world when we're practicing law. But I want to share today with you a couple of things that I've learned from teaching the class. The first is that experience is invaluable. It's really, really difficult or impossible to replicate experience. And experience matters a lot in trademarks because to conduct searches, to review searches, to compare marks for possible likelihood of confusion, to run through all the possibilities of what might happen to an application or how a dispute or potential dispute might play out, really takes experience. You can talk about it hypothetically, but when it comes to managing real situations and real searches and real applications and real disputes, there's really no substitute for experience. The experience can be shared and it can be taught, but it's not the same as gaining it through the actual work. So these students are gaining some experience slowly, which is wonderful, but there's no substitute for years and years of experience when it comes to hiring somebody to work on your trademark matters. The second thing that I've learned is that teaching teaches me. I, in interacting with the students, get to think about things in new ways. I have to break them down to their elemental matters. And I have to then put them into words, right, and lesson plans to communicate them to the students, hopefully in a way that is teachable and that they can learn all these different topics in the worlds of trademark protection. And so by doing so, by forcing myself to look through them with fresh eyes, look at all of the trademark issues with fresh eyes, I am learning a lot. And the students are asking great questions, which are challenging me and forcing me to explain why things are done certain ways or rethink how and why things are done. So I am continually learning from the students as well. It's really a win-win. The third thing I've learned is that teaching is very, very enjoyable. The students have been tremendous. They've really shown passion for learning, passion for the topic. It's helped reinvigorate my passion for trademarks and for helping clients get their trademarks. And looking at it through the eyes of these students working on these projects for the first time really is a wonderful way to bring that all into focus and to combine all of my experience with all of their passion and energy to help these clients. So I plan to continue teaching. I really enjoy it. And I really just wanted to take an opportunity to share with you how actually being a teacher is helping me learn, hopefully just as much as the students are learning from me. Thanks for listening to this episode. If you enjoy the podcast and the videos, please like and subscribe. Please tell others. Feel free to leave a comment or a rating. You know where to find me, but if you're ever really looking, you can always just go to ericpelton.com.